Hello and welcome back to our channel. Last time we talked about the meanings of each of these tenses. Today let us pay more attention to the form, how to ask questions and make negative sentences in each tense. Let us take present continuous first. Affirmative sentence. Jack is washing his car. To ask a question, you simply need to change the order of words, the order of the subject, Jack in this case, and the predicate, the verb is in this case. Is Jack washing a car? You can add specifying or question words. The question itself doesn't change. Where is Jack washing a car? Why is he washing a car? With whom is he washing a car? The preposition is usually moved to the end of the sentence. Whom is he washing a car with? What is he washing a car with? Negative sentences have the word not. Jack is not washing his car. So with present continuous, it is quite easy. It's a bit different though with present simple. Jack meets Jane every Friday. In present simple, the order of the subject, Jack, and the predicate, meets, cannot be changed. The word Jack must always be before the predicate, meets. So, Jack meets is a fixed block with a fixed order that you cannot change. Questions are asked with the help of the auxiliary verb do. Auxiliary means that it does not refer to any object or thing. It is used only for grammar purposes. In the third person, he, she, or it, do has the form of does. Does Jack meet Jane every Friday? You can also add question words to the beginning of the sentence. When does Jack meet Jane? Why does Jack meet Jane? How often does Jack meet Jane? Whom does Jack meet? With other persons, it is do. Here is the sentence, I jog in Central Park every morning. And the questions to it. Do you jog in Central Park? Do you jog in the morning? Where do you jog? Why do you jog? Or the subject may be in the plural. Jack and Jill eat a lot of fruit. Do Jack and Jill eat fruit? Do they eat much fruit? What do they eat? Why do they eat fruit? To make a negative sentence, we also need do or does combined with not right after the subject, between the subject and the predicate. Jack does not meet Jane, or Jack doesn't meet Jane. I do not jog in the morning, or I don't jog in the morning. We don't like this restaurant. They do not or they don't work anywhere. My brother doesn't want to marry. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for being with us and see you again next time.